Good morning, everyone. Nandito kami ngayon na naman sa FAU for the third time. Mag-i-interview na naman ako with the autograph. Let's begin with Miss Christine Flores, Philippines. Okay, what is your name?
Christine Flores.
Nickname?
Tintin.
Birthday? Ayoko nang tumatawa, Day, ha? Ayoko nang tumatawa.
Seryoso usapan.
Seryoso usapan, hindi ako tumatawa.
June 15, 1992.
Birthplace?
Quezon City.
Address?
Ito yun? Mamaya kulamin niyo ako
Hindi,
Lot 8, Block 107. Katahimikan Street, Karangalan Village, Cainta, Rizal.
Mabibigat ang mga address mo. Phone number?
Phone? 0927-450-8888.
Ano pa yung mobile?
Ano yung mobile number mo? Ano pa yung mobile number mo? Kasi nakasaad dito, phone number, mobile number.
Ano?
Ano na?
Wait, yung telephone 240-527.
May problem yung music video.
Call.
Or Eastern University.
Course.
Mass Communication.
Email address.
Christine, Flores _ Christine at Yahoo.
Zodiac sign.
Gemini.
Habis.
Abis. Kain tulog. De joke pati aral.
Likes.
Likes.
Hershey.
Likes. Playing volleyball. Wala.
Dislike.
Dislikes. Maingay, makulit.
Cedric.
So don't you like me?
Guri.
Iba naman yung pagkamaingay. Okay.
Your motto in
Ano
life.
ba yung music video nito?
Pride precedes a disaster and arrogant attitude precedes a fall.
Makita mo yung reaction.
Ambition.
Ambition, to finish my studies and to go outside this country.
Okay. Go now. Let's go now to the favorite part. Music. Your favorite music.
Ano ba, genre o kanta talaga?
Whatever it is. I will love you forever.
Ano ba?
Okay.
Basta kanta ng hill songs, tsaka There's Something About Love You, David Archuleta.
Okay. Mamili ka, singer or band?
Wait, tama mo ulan.
Singer.
Food.
Dami naman yan!
Autograph me! Autograph?
Yung may mga cheese.
Drink.
Sobrang kilig.
Latte at saka
Sobrang kilig. Drink.
drink, diba? At saka ano yun?
Soup.
Shakes. Fruit shakes.
Color.
Cooler ba?
Color.
Cooler blue tsaka pink.
Passion trend.
Ano?
Passion trend.
Fashion trend. Ano uso?
Book.
Book.
Buhok. Ayaw, amas.
Okay, author. Author.
Edgar Allan Poe.
Subject.
Subject. Speech.
Teacher. Dapat hindi professor, dapat teacher. Dapat kilala namin teacher.
Si Ma'am Gloria Mendoza.
Movie.
Movie, Troy, tsaka Peter Pan in Neverland.
Mamili ka actor or actress?
Actress.
Sport.
Volleyball.
Athlete.
Leila Barros.
TV program. Okay, radio station. Radio station.
101.9.
DJ.
Rebby. Bakit ang dami?
Cartoon character.
Hello Kitty.
Video game.
Wala? Jacket.
Accessories.
Earrings.
Shirt brand.
Bench.
Ang daming bench, no?
Bench ano?
Bench.
Bench ko. Joke.
Perfume.
Felicit.
Frequent hangout.
Alicia.
Pet. Armpit. Pet.
Pet. Dog.
Okay, let's go now to the heart to heart.
Ano ba yan? Ang dami.
Okay, describe yourself.
Ano? Walang ngiti.
Friendship
Brown eyes.
means.
Oh, friendship means, trust.
Anong crust? Pizza crust?
Trust.
Qualities you look for a friend.
Ano, reliable and honest.
Who is your best friend?
Dami.
Sino yun? Sino si marami yun?
Celine, Marian, Ria.
Okay. Funniest moment with your best friend?
Nadulas ako sa corridor. Tsaka sa hagdan.
Ikaw lang?
Ako lang.
With your best friend? Pakita niyo.
Nabawa siya.
Crush means?
Ano yun? Crush means idolizing someone.
Who is your crush?
Hindi niya kilala eh.
Sino?
Hindi ko rin alam pangalan.
What attracts you most?
Saan?
In terms of studies.
Saan ka?
What attracts you most? Physical, emotional, international?
Ano? Attitude tsaka physical.
Define love.
Love is undefinable.
Divine.
Define it.
Undefinable.
Love is ano?
A rosary.
Love is undescribable.
Describe it.
Have you been in love?
Yes.
With whom?
11:35.
With someone bad.
Describe your loved one 3 times a day.
11:35.
Okay, describe your loved one.
Tall, dark. Tall and dark.
Masama si Christine. Where and when did you meet?
April 2004.
When? Ay, where?
Where?
Where? When, sa school namin ng high school.
What did you call each other? Pangga. Baby.
Pang... Wala. Uy, tall lang.
Uy.
Well, how tall is he?
5'6".
What was his or her first gift to you?
Bracelet.
Okay. Her qualities you like this.
Tall. Tall and dark. Mirror dark.
Your future plan.
To go
Shopping.
to Japan and Israel and find job.
Happiness means
Being free.
happiest memories.
When I was in Israel with my mom and
Craziest memories.
interview.
I know it. It's crazy. Most adventurous.
Mountain climbing.
Most unforgettable moments.
Basketball ako.
Most embarrassing experience.
Nadulas ako sa corridor.
Goal in life.
Pero paulit-ulit. Goal in life to finish my studies.
Greatest achievement in life.
Great greatest achievement?
Asan si Jude? Parang wala. Nalaglag.
Okay, greatest dream.
Greatest dream? Nakasama ko si Ding Dong.
Abansado?
Dantes.
Okay, let's go now to the space.
Ano ba? Hindi pa rin tapos?
It's the last part.
Dedication mo na.
Okay. What do you want to delegate to me after you?
This was a crazy interview.
And what else? No positive comments?
Ano ba? Dali yung nag-interview. Ang daming tanong. Nakakapag-sumagot. Joke lang. Ano saan ba yan?
Project namin sa history.
Tsaka... Bad dedication. Thank you din sa interview.
Siyempre. Mabili. Okay, goodbye everyone. At aalis na kami ha. Bye-bye.
Ayan, dali.
Nandito tayo ngayon. Mag-news break muna tayo. Kasalukuyang may nangyayaring kaguluhan. Dalawang lalaki at babae na nagkwentuhan. Hindi nagkililid yung isa dahil yung isa nakikipag-anuhan dyan.
Alibek.
Nakikipag-alibikan.
Si Alibek.
Itanong natin kung anong masasabi niya sa interview ko dapat
Si Alibek.
kanina. Ano masasabi mo? Bye-bye, Kristen. Ano si Kristen? Anong gusto mo sabihin? Dahil hindi kita na-interview, ha? Okay, bitch daw. O, ikaw. Happy anniversary nga pala, no?
Thank you.
Kakakilala ko lang sa kanya, pero alam ko may anniversary siya.
Okay lang. Happy anniversary, Gian.
Happy anniversary.